Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to prevent autoplaying videos in Google Chrome and Firefox. First, go to the Google Chrome from your desktop. Click on the address bar and type the following: chrome://flags/autoplay-policy. Now hit enter. In the autoplay policy page, you can see the first option is autoplay policy and the setting is selected as default. Click on the down arrow key beside default. From the drop down menu, click on the document user activation is required. In the below of the browser, you can see a message: your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch Google Chrome. Click on the button relaunch now. From now on, no videos will be autoplaying in Google Chrome. Now go to Firefox browser. Click on the address bar and type about:config::filter =autoplay. Then hit enter. A new page will open. From here you can see an option Media Autoplay Default. The value for this setting is 0. Now double click on the option Media Autoplay Default. A box will appear. Type 1 in the value box. Then click on OK. And the value of this option is turned to 1. You don't need to restart the browser. From now on, no video will be autoplaying in Firefox. So in this way you can prevent autoplaying videos in Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.